Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bag Winall air freshener. To begin, choose an ideal spot for your freshener. Consider areas like closets, small rooms, or inside your car. Ensure it hangs freely or is placed where air can easily flow around it, allowing the fragrance to spread evenly throughout your space. This simple step ensures maximum effectiveness from the start. Activating your Winall air freshener is very simple. First, gently tear open the top of the sealed bag, exposing a small portion of the freshener. For a lighter scent, expose less. For a stronger aroma, expose more. You can gradually pull the freshener further out of the bag over several days or weeks to maintain a consistent fragrance level. To get the most out of your Winall air freshener, ensure it's not obstructed by other items. Hanging it freely allows the fragrance to disperse widely. For consistent freshness, plan to replace your air freshener approximately every 4 to 6 weeks. This regular replacement schedule ensures your space always smells pleasant and inviting, maximizing its effectiveness. For safety, always keep your Winall air freshener out of reach of small children and curious pets. It is not intended for consumption. When storing extra fresheners, choose a cool, dry location away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Proper storage helps maintain the product's quality and ensures it remains effective until you are ready to use it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.